What's going on? Kevin Wagstaff here, one of the founders of Spectora Home Inspection Software. I wanted to talk to you today about some realtor-specific tools that we built into Spectora that'll make your life easier. I was a realtor in Denver for 6 years, so I get a lot of the pain points that agents have in regards to the home inspection report, and in particular, creating the inspection objection or repair addendum, as it's called in some states. I'm going to show you guys how to use the tool today so you can make sure as an agent that your home inspector is using a tool like Spectora to make your life easier. All right, so we're looking at a sample report here. Agents, if you're not familiar with a Spectora report, you can check out some sample reports at spectora.com/sample_reports. I'll link to it in the description. But if you're not familiar with the reports, they're very user-friendly, very modern and clean. And you can also filter the reports by clicking on significant defects. So it only shows you the things you need to worry about as an agent to talk to the buyer about. So we won't get into all that there. I'll link to another video that walks through the report. But we're talking today about the repair request builder. So at the top right of a report that you get, you can click on repair request builder, and it launches this interface to help you create your inspection resolution or your repair addendum. So to start, you can go in here and name this anything you like. Each state has a different term for this form that you have to deliver. So you can name it whatever you like here. And then you can put in some header text for some additional context. This is just what you want to say to the selling agent, any other details about the buyer or the transaction. Next, you go down into the repair request builder and you just simply check off what you want to ask the seller to either pay a credit for or to repair. So if you click credit, you can enter in the amount that you want to ask for this particular defect. So you'll see here, we'll click on another one and say we want $300 for that. And if you want them to repair something, you can add a comment and use the quick text here to say repair requested. And then you can also type in additional information as well. So once you have some of those selected, you can click on preview and it shows you the preview document of what it will look like before you send it off. You'll notice at the bottom, it shows you the total credit requested, summarizes it for the selling agent. So if all that looks good, you can go ahead and click create. And then it allows you to view it at an HTML link. So you can copy and paste this link and send it to the seller, or you can email it or text it directly to them. So whether you send one to yourself or you send it directly to the seller's agent, this is what it'll look like in the text message. So it'll provide you a link that you can click on, and it's a very clean, slick interface. So it's the repair request list here, and you can see it has some of the defects with pictures and the comments from your home inspector, as well as the total credit requested at the bottom. So this is very mobile friendly, something you can send to yourself, send to a selling agent so you can view it on the go and know exactly what you're asking of the selling agent and seller of the home. And it's worth noting when you're viewing the HTML version or the page of the repair request list, you can always go down to the bottom right to view it as a PDF, save that and attach it to your repair addendum or inspection resolution. We have another demo of how to use this that I'll link to here that's a little more in depth. But if this is a feature you want in your home inspection reports, feel free to email us at info@spectora.com and we can get you in touch with home inspectors in your area that use this report format that makes your life easier. As a real estate agent, this was a feature that was inspired by my experience of looking at big, long, old PDFs. So if you want to get in touch with an inspector, let us know and we'll connect you with someone that can make your life easier. Thanks.